Hello, Josh here with Zebrascapes out here on a project, operations manager slash construction manager going on. Today, the guys are figuring in a nice flagstone patio that's gonna go up in here. The guys are doing all this, is all hand cut, hand chiseled out. And then we're gonna have a nice little walkway that's kind of flowing down here using the flagstone. Off to our left hand side over here, we're gonna have a nice little water feature. Couple of falls coming out of there just to give some nice water sounds as they sit out here and enjoy the area. And then over here to our right hand side, we're going to be able to have a nice fire pit that's going to be built in there, getting the gas line in, water lines getting ready to come up for the pond feature. And then we're going to have just another flagstone area that's just going to come up and encompass this area, so that way they can have another little seating area back over in here. And then they're gonna wind up in the future, they're gonna have a nice little barbecue pad right over in this area, so they can do all their barbecue and their grilling as they're outside enjoying the fire pit, enjoying the water feature. Then they have a nice little walkway that's gonna go ahead and take them back down into the entry of their house.